Just 5 years, AI may replace millions of jobs, and some of individual and people still think that it's a normal and simple chatbot. AI is growing faster than most of people understand it, and lots of companies like Fungus, Google, and typical type of company already replacing workers with AI chatbot and automation tools and smart software. So let's talk about some typical type of jobs which is seriously replaced by within just 5 years for AI. First of all, data entry jobs, simple typing, copying information, and also spreadsheet transfer. It's now just a seconds of time for AI. So I don't think so. It's take too much time to replace this job for AI. Secondly, basic customer support. Many companies in this time use AI agent instead of human agent support, and AI can do 24/7 works without salary break and also holidays. So why any type of company used human agent rather than AI? Because they also get lots of benefits from AI agents. Thirdly, content writing. Basically, in today's world, I also script or writing my script of my video through AI agent like ChatGPT or Cloud. So I don't need to inform, or I don't need to any appointment to any type of blog writer or something like that, because AI can do this work so well, and they also use hook, CTA, or typical type of thing which is absolutely elegant and beautiful. Fourthly, graphic designing, because in today's time lots of content creator making graphics card or simple logo and thumbnail poster, typical type of things which is actually made for making videos on YouTube from AI agent. So like Canva is the best alternative to write this type of or create this type of thumbnails or create this type of simple logo poster for this. In number 5, translation job. Basically, AI translation tools are being most accurate in this time. So, and basic translation is very boring and slowly. So in this time lots of people avoid to do it, so AI also replace of this work. So, and the last part of this video, I also went to told that AI is not replace any type of human jobs or any type of human vacancy right now or in the near future, but I also firmly or concerned about that when you used or when you able to use typical type of AI agent which is actually bring so positive welfare for human civilization, you must concern about it and learn it, because it gives you the time you waste on travel which is not easy to see. So AI save your time, save your money, and also 10x your income if you use it properly. So in this video I think I will give you some info which is not bad or not so good, and I also believe that if you are see for the full video until last, you will hit the like and subscribe me to get typical type of AI knowledge. I also obey that my video quality and my English accent is not so good, but I will still learning about it. So if you think to support a small creator, just hit the like and subscribe for more amazing this tech knowledge. So bye everybody.